video in a long time. I know it's been a while. Just been so busy with work and I'm in school. And now this whole Corona stuff. It's really kept me from just wanting to record because I don't have anything to really do. But if you follow me on social media, you guys may know that I did sell my 240. So I did sell my 240. I know it's kind of weird because I only recorded like one video with that car, but I had to let it go. I did find another car that I've been wanting for a while. If you follow me on social media, you may know the car, and I'm just wanted to record like another intro, I guess, another fresh start, and show you guys a new car that I got. And hope you guys like it, as I do. All right, guys. So this is my new car. It's a 1993 Toyota Chaser. It's a JZX9 or GX90 because it doesn't have a JZ motor in it, but try not to spoil the surprise that I have today. Yeah, it's a 93 GX90. Has the 1G FE engine in it, or motor. We got the right-hand drive because it's imported from Japan. And I already installed a new head unit. I will insert a little clip that I had recorded after I had got the car of me installing that. It's pretty nice interior, 4-door. Yeah. It only has, let's see, 90,000 kilometers, roughly 91,000 kilometers, so that's about 50-ish, so 50,000-ish miles, or US miles. It's a great car, man. It's a great daily. I've been enjoying it a lot since I got it. AC and heat blow super well. It's an overall really good car. I've only had the car for, let's say, about a week or two. Yeah, about 2 weeks. I bought it from a guy in Rockwall, which is about an hour and a half away from me. And it was a good deal, so I decided why not, hop on it. Here's the motor. It's a 1G FE. We last did the service at 84,000 kilometers, so it recommends, I guess, at 100,000. Yeah, guys. It's my 93 X90. Yeah, guys, that's like I was saying. It's been a great car, it's a little iffy because it's right-hand drive, so I can't really go through drive-thrus, but it is what it is. Hope you guys are staying safe through this whole coronavirus outbreak stuff. I know it's pretty scary. I got laid off from my job, so I'm trying to save as much money as I can. I want to buy coils for this car, but can't really afford them right now because I got laid off. I am gonna do like a part 2-ish in this video because I did just get something in the mail that I had ordered from one of my buddies up in Cali. You'll probably see him behind me. I'll give you guys a closer look in just a second. Alright, guys, and here you guys go. Follow me on social media, you probably just saw them. Probably not gonna have this video out for a few days because I forgot my hard drive at home, so I can't really edit. But yeah, they're Blitz Technospeed Z1. Unfortunately, only the fronts have the center caps. Yes, they're 18 by 8 in the front, 18 by 9 in the back, and they are plus 32 offset all around. So hopefully those will fit on this big guy. But if not, I did get some spacers that my friend did give me, and I'm pretty sure those will work. If not, I can always order other spacers. And one thing I noticed whenever I did get the car, on these wheels, they are the stock Mark II wheels, which I did not know. And I just thought that was a pretty cool little detail you guys should see. But I'm gonna get the tripod set up and I'm gonna let you guys see what these look like on the car. I'm gonna test fit them and everything.
Only way is through this shit. KLNV.
Alright guys, sorry about the wind, but just want you guys to see the fitment real quick. From up top. Super flush. Here's the back. Super flush. I really just need to get some tires and then obviously some coils. Slam it. It'll be good for now until I can get a body kit. Hey guys, super happy with how this looks. And I hope you guys like it too.